we did a thing on like fun facts about penguins. Penguins still have to breathe air when they're underwater.
Keep going. What does that mean, flightless? No.
They can't fly.
Good. Is flightless one word or two words?
Two words.
Okay.
One word.
One word. So that was something you need to mix. Right. It's a compound word. Keep going.
Next page. No penguins live at the North Pole.
They all live south of the equator. Is correct.
I never knew that.
Oh. Well, now you did. See? Learn something. Keep going.
The emperor.
The emperor penguins, the tallest penguins in the species. Ranging as tall at 170.
No, 120.
So